Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're my returning subscriber, you're welcome, and if you're just joining for the first time, kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. It's totally free, and turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you. Before you start any skincare routine, you need to know your skin type. Is it a dry skin, oily skin, or a combination skin? This is what you need to know. Knowing your skin type and the type of product to use will make your skin glow effortlessly. And if you don't know your skin type or you don't understand your skin, then go for products that is for all skin types to be on a safer side. Now, you don't have to use what your friend is using, and using so many products do not guarantee a flawless skin. Yes, it doesn't. So guys, in today's video, I want to share with you some affordable products to use or to start with as a beginner. Although it mustn't be for beginners, because you might want to change your skincare routine for some reasons which is best known to you. So if you fall into any of these categories, this video is for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can also screenshot any products you want if possible. Now let's dive into the video. Number one on my list is bath sponge. You need a bath sponge. You already know the importance of this bath sponge. It is very good in removing dirt. Number two, you need a body wash or a base soap. I recommend extract or any Dove products. Anyone you want. It's very, very affordable. So you can use them. It's very good. I've been using extract for so long. I just started using Dove Dove body wash this year. But for this one, I've been using it. And also, don't forget to use antiseptic soap. It is very, very important. When you are using your soap, you can just look for any antiseptic soap of your choice. At least you can use antiseptic soap twice a week. It's very, very important because it helps to prevent acne and pimples. Yes, it's preventive. Number three, you need a facial cleanser. This is very, very important. Body wash and facial cleanser works differently, and you don't have to omit any of them. A cleanser helps to get rid of excess oils, which causes acne and pimples. Get rid of sweat, germs, dirt, and even some environmental bacteria we can't see with our naked eyes. And this is why you need a facial cleanser. Number four, you need a body scrub. Body scrub is very, very important. It will help you to remove dead skin cells, making your skin soft and supple. Number five, you need a face toner. You need it. This is one of my favorite face toner now. Don't say that because you've used soap to wash your face and you've also used facial cleanser. For that reason, face toner is not necessary. No, sis. Face toner works beyond removing dirt and excess oil from the face. Face toners have major positive impact on the appearance and the tightness of your pores. All those fine lines, large pores, etc. Face toner helps with that. Toners will restore your skin pH levels, smooth your skin by refining rough patches, and improve your skin tone. And so many benefits, which is why you need face toner or facial toner. Number six, you need a mouthwash. You need a mouthwash. Mouthwash helps to remove up to 97% of germs left after brushing the teeth. Mouthwash also helps to remove plaque, and it also helps to whiten the teeth. So you need a mouthwash. Number seven, you need a cotton pad. You need a cotton pad or a cotton wool. This is what every woman needs to have in her skincare routine. Even if you are not doing any skincare routine, but you need a cotton wool. You need it. You need hyaluronic acid serum. Please and please don't skip this one. It's very, very important. Since when I started using this hyaluronic acid serum, it's a game changer. Do you see any spots on my face. No, please, you need it. What does this serum does? It helps to hydrate the skin. It helps with the skin elasticity. It also helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So you need to get it. The next one on my list is antioxidants. Now you need vitamin C or niacinamide in your skincare. Either vitamin C or niacinamide. And you can equally use the two. You use this one in the morning, you use this one in the night. Vitamin C helps to brighten the face. It helps with some stuffs like face sagging or dryness of the skin, uneven skin tone. It also helps to reduce sunburn and hyperpigmentation. While niacinamide boosts collagen production, that helps to improve skin texture, including smoothing of the face, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps to fade away pigmentation, or rather hyperpigmentation, and also brightens the face. You can use niacinamide in the morning and vitamin C in the night. And if you are on a budget, you can buy either niacinamide or vitamin C. They both work perfectly. Anyone you like, you buy. Number 10, you need a body oil. It's a must in every skincare product or skincare routine. You need a body oil. You need Vaseline Cocoa Radiance. It's very good. Or vitamin C oil is very good. Or you can even buy baby oil. Even when I've not started taking good care of my skin, I use body oil. Yes, I use 11 exfoliating cream. This is very important because it helps to reduce aging process, and it also helps to even out your skin tone. They have different kinds of exfoliating creams out there. You can check them out, but this is the one I'm using and I love it. 12, moisturizer. You need a moisturizer. Forget about all those lightening creams out there. Start using a moisturizer and you will love your skin. There are different kinds of moisturizer out there. They have Nivea, they have Dove, they have CeraVe, they have Cetaphil, etc. So you can get any one of your choice. Now listen, I know what some of you might be thinking now, that if I'm using Nivea products, I'll get dark. No sis, you won't get dark. To maintain a healthy skin, you need to stay away from all these lightening products. Stay away from them. Lightening creams, stay away from them. You need to embrace a moisturizer and an exfoliating cream. Yeah, instead of getting two colors, dark knuckles, dark elbow, dark thighs, up and down, why not embrace an exfoliating cream and a moisturizer? You are free to use a lightening soap and a body wash because they won't stay long in your body. You rinse them off. So avoid the lightening products in creams. Just focus in moisturizing your body and your skin will never stop glowing. 13, aloe vera gel. You need this one also in your skincare. Yes, sometimes if you want to shave your armpit, you can just apply this aloe vera gel. Even down there, you can apply it all over because it helps to reduce bumps after shave. 14, you need sunscreen. You already know the importance of sunscreen, so you need sunscreen in your skincare products. Another thing you need is a deodorant. You need antiperspirant. This is the one I'm using from Nivea. It helps to keep the armpits dry and clean, so you need it. Last but not the least is a sanitizer. You need a sanitizer. You need the wipes or the liquid form. So this one now, anytime I'm going to work, I'll just put it inside my bag because if I want to put something in my mouth, I'll just remove one and use it and clean my hand. So you need a sanitizer. It is a hand sanitizer which kills germs. So guys, thanks for watching this video. These are the key things you need in your skincare routine as a beginner. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. And if you have not liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Thank you.